If you think creating realistic zombie videos like this requires expensive AI tools or a powerful PC, think again. The crazy part is, you can actually create videos like this using AI, completely free. Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. As you can see on your screen, zombie-related videos like this are currently getting a lot of attention on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. They're trending, they're going viral, and the audience absolutely loves this kind of realistic cinematic content. And just look at the video on your screen. The details, the atmosphere, the realistic zombie effects, it honestly looks like something straight out of a movie. But here's the best part, you can create this kind of realistic cinematic video yourself using free AI tools. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. All right, guys, to create videos like this, the first thing you'll need is the right master prompt. I've provided the link to this master prompt in the video description and in the pinned comment. So simply click on that link and you'll get the complete master prompt. Once you open it, select the entire prompt and copy it. Now open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt right here. After pasting it, simply give ChatGPT the command mentioned in the prompt, and within just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate several unique video ideas for you. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a total of 10 unique topics for us, and every single one of them is zombie related. So we can simply choose any one of these topics and start creating our video. For this tutorial, I'll go with topic number 8. I'll copy this topic, go back to ChatGPT, paste it here, and give it the next command. Now, ChatGPT will generate a complete scene-by-scene story based on the topic we selected. As you can see, it first gives us a short story summary. Then we have the character combinations, and if we scroll down a little further, you'll see that ChatGPT has created multiple scenes for the story. And here's the important part. Each scene comes with both an image prompt and a video prompt. If we scroll down a little more, we can see that ChatGPT has generated image and video prompts for all 10 scenes, numbered 1 through 10. So these are the prompts we're going to use to create our actual video. And that's it, guys. We've got all the prompts we need. Now, let's put them to work. We'll start with scene number 1. All right, guys, now we'll start by copying the entire image generation prompt for scene 1 from here. Once we've copied it, we'll open Daigen AI. You can simply search for Daigen AI on Google and you'll find the website. Once you're on Daigen AI, you'll need to log in using a fresh Gmail account. It's really simple. Now, as you can see, Daigen AI has several different tools available. And as you can see, I'm currently using a free account. Daigen AI has given me 260 credits because this is a brand new account. And you'll also receive around 120 credits daily. The good thing is, we can generate images for free. But when it comes to video generation, it will use around 20 credits per video generation. So let's start by generating our first image. For that, I'll click on the image generation tool. Once we click on it, we'll be taken to the image generation section where we can create our images. Now, remember the image generation prompt we copied from ChatGPT for scene 1? We'll simply paste that prompt right here. I've pasted the entire prompt. Now, you'll notice an option called Auto. From here, you can choose the size or aspect ratio of your image depending on the type of video you're creating. If you're making a short, you can choose the short video size. And if you're creating a long form video, you can choose the long video format. For this tutorial, I'm going with the 16:9 aspect ratio since we're creating a long form video. So I'll select 16:9. Once that's selected, I'll simply click the generate button, and within just a few seconds, Daigen AI will generate an image based on the prompt we provided, and there we go. As you can see, we've got our first image. Now let's move on to scene 2. I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the image generation prompt for scene 2. I've copied the prompt, so now I'll come back to Daigen AI. Here, I'll simply remove the previous prompt and paste the new one. Then I'll click generate again. And as you can see, the image for our second scene is now being generated. Within a few seconds, we'll have our second image ready as well. And there we go. As you can see, Degen AI has generated another really nice image for us. Now, we'll use exactly the same process for the rest of the scenes. Since we have a total of 10 scenes, we'll generate all 10 images using the same method. I'll speed up the rest of the process a little bit so the video doesn't get unnecessarily long. And once all the images are ready, we'll move on to the next step. All right, guys, we've got all of our images ready. As you can see, we've generated a total of 10 images, one image for each of our 10 scenes. Now we're going to turn these 10 images into actual videos. And for that, you'll notice an option called Make a Video above the image. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the video generation section. This is our video section. Now, here you'll see the model options. First, you'll notice Real Motion 2.6. We'll click on that, and from the available models, we'll select the third one, Real Motion 3.1 Turbo. So I'll select that model. Next, we'll go back to ChatGPT. Here we need the video generation prompt for scene 1. I'll simply copy the entire prompt from here. Once the prompt is copied, we'll come back to Degen AI. Now I'll paste the prompt into the prompt box. After that, I'll click the Generate button. As you can see, it says 20 credits, which means 20 credits will be used to generate this video. So I'll click Generate, and our video will start processing. One thing I want to mention here, generating a video can take around 1 minute. So don't worry if it takes a little while, just be patient and let the video finish processing. And there we go. As you can see, our video has been generated and it looks really good. Let's play it and see how it turned out. And as you can see, we've got a really nice cinematic video from our image and prompt. Now we'll simply click the download button and save the video to our computer. Next, we'll use the exact same process for the remaining scenes. We'll go back to the image section. Once we're there, we'll hover over the second image and you'll see the Make a Video option appear. We'll click on it. Now we're back in the video generation section. Next, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the video generation prompt for scene 2. Once the prompt is copied, we'll return to Degen AI. Here we'll delete the previous prompt and paste in the new one. Then we'll click Generate again. Our second video will start generating, and just like before, we'll wait around a minute for it to finish. And there we go. Our second video is ready. Let's play it and see how it looks. As you can see, we've got another really nice cinematic video. We'll download this one as well. And that's it. We'll simply repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Take the corresponding image, use the matching video generation prompt from ChatGPT, generate the video, and download it. Once we've done this for all 10 scenes, we'll have all the video clips we need for our complete cinematic zombie video. All right, guys, from here, you can simply keep using the exact same process to generate all of your remaining videos. Each video generation will use 20 credits, and as you can see, we still have quite a few credits available, which means we can create a lot more videos. So using this same method, you can generate videos from your images completely free. Now, Degen AI is technically a paid platform, but as you've seen in this tutorial, you can use the available free credits to generate your videos without paying anything. And once you've created your videos, you can edit them and upload them to YouTube. Of course, make sure your content follows YouTube's monetization and copyright guidelines. So guys, if you found today's video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. If you have any questions or run into any problems while following the tutorial, let me know in the comments below. I'll try my best to help you out, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial.